everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. I hope all are doing good. Today we are going to see about a topic of Tower of Hanoi. It is a very interesting topic and it is a very important question in the recursion. If we are able to solve this question in the recursion, then we can solve any questions in the recursion. Okay, fine. Now I will explain the question, then we can move on to the solution part. Okay. There are three towers. Okay, fine. There are three towers. Okay, tower 1 has n discs. How many towers we have? We have three towers. Tower 1, tower 2, tower 3. Okay, n discs. N will be given by the user. N discs is present in the tower 1, tower 2 and tower 3 will be empty. The discs are increasingly placed in terms. They are increasingly placed, that is largest in the down, then second largest, then smallest. Likewise, it will be placed. Okay. You are required to print the instructions to move the disc. We need to print the instructions to move the discs from the tower 1 to tower 2. We have to place all the discs in the tower 2. Tower 2 is our destination tower. We need to place all the discs in the tower 2. Follow the rules. We have some rules for that. Okay. Move one disc at the time. At a particular time, we can move only one disc. Okay. Then the second condition is never place the smaller disc under largest disc. That is, we can't place the disc like this. Okay, we can't place the disc like this. We should place the disc like this only. It is correct. We can't place the largest disc on the smaller one. Fine. Then you can only move your disc at the top. We can only move the disc from the top. We can only move the disc from top only. Like stack, only we can move from top. We can't move the below discs. Okay, only we can move at the top. This is our question. Okay, this is our question. Before going to explain the solution part, I will explain how we are going to solve. Okay, this is what we have to do. Then I will explain how we have to do. Then we can move on to the coding part. Okay, how we can do. Fine. We have three discs. These are rules. One is only one disc can move at the time. Fine. We can move only one disc at the time. Then no longer disc is placed on the smaller one. Move at the top only. We can move the disc from the top only, right? If n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, it will be my tower 1, it will be my tower 2, it will be my tower 3. I have to place all the discs in the tower 3. Okay. Okay. Step 1. Step 1. This is the first step. In the first step, see, longest, second longest. I am going to place the smallest disc into tower 2. This is my first move. Okay. Then my second move will be, I am going to place the second largest in the tower 3. This is my second move. It is second largest. Okay. This is smallest. Okay. And my third move will be, this is largest. I am going to place this small one in tower 3. This is my third move. Okay. My fourth move will be, I am going to place this largest disc into the tower 2. This largest disc into the tower 2. Okay. My fifth move will be, I am going to move the smallest disc into the tower 1. That is, this smallest disc into the tower 1. We should follow these three rules. Okay. Smallest one, largest one, this is second largest. Okay, then my sixth move will be, I'm going to place this second largest on this, like this it is. Then I'm going to move the second largest to here. This is my smallest one. Fine. Now largest. Second largest. Smallest. That is, this smaller one is placed on this top. This is my seventh move. The second tower is my destination tower, right? I placed all the discs from 1 to 2. Okay, for that I'm following these steps. I hope you understand these steps, right? Now we can move on to the solution part. Okay. Okay. First, tower of Hanoi, n minus 1, comma. We are moving tower 1 to tower 3, right? That is, see here. We are moving tower, here it is n to 2. Then the second largest will be placed to tower 3, right? So, tower 1, comma, tower 2, sorry, tower 3, correct? Third tower, comma, tower. Okay, then we are going to print the discs placed. It will be almost, it takes 7 steps. We can minus that 1 step, then it will be like 6. Okay, dot. We have some format for our output. What will be that format? Okay, it should be, first we are going to place n, that is number of moves. Okay, so format of n, number of moves, comma, we need to give the open square brackets. Okay, then we have to print T1, that is tower 1. Okay, then we have to print that arrow mark. We have to print that arrow mark, comma, then it will be at tower 2, right? So tower 2, comma, we need to close our square bracket. That's it. It is our output format. That is, first we are giving the n, then it will be an open bracket. Here it will be an open bracket. Tower 1, then arrow mark, tower 2. Okay, fine, tower 2. Then it is closed. We are also closed here. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, next we have to, oh, sorry, I got, okay, fine. Enter. We have to again call tower of Hanoi. We are moving n minus 1 disk. Our destination is not T3. Our destination is T2, right? So we are going to move from T3, comma, T2 is our destination. Our destination should be placed in between the T2, comma, T1. Okay, that's it. Let me run this. Okay, trace back most. Okay, we need to give base condition, right? Yeah, we are moving the tower of Hanoi, that is n minus 1, T1, T3 and T2. We are giving, but we need to give base condition, right? If n double equal to 0, that is when we reached our destination, then it should return the value. Okay, now we can run this. Yeah, it is accepted. We are trying to submit this. Yes, we got the correct answer. Fine. It is the approach. Sorry. This is the approach. We can do this for an n number of disks with the 3 towers. T3, we are using 3 as an our intermediate tower. We need to place all into the T2. Okay. Okay. We can check this with our own example. Uh, okay. Our input will be, we are giving 5 disks. Okay. That is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. I'm trying to run this. Yeah, it is accepted. We can place all these values. All these values. See, we got the answer. Okay. This is Tower of Hanoi. It is a very interesting question. I hope you enjoyed this video and you understand this question. If you understood this question, then stay subscribed to Pepcoding. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.